All right, GM guys, what's good? So today we're going to be talking about the Bless Network Airdrop. So as you can see here, Bless, formerly called Blockless, is a deepin infrastructure network built on Solana. It turns everyday devices into nodes to power high-demand compute tasks like AI and data processing. And of course, the goal is to shift from centralized giants to a distributed community-powered internet. That's nice. So as you can see, the funding they raised $8 million across pre-seed and seed rounds, and the investors, that's their backers, are M31 Capital, NGC, Interlope, Chorus One, etc. Okay, that's a lot of backers for a project, and that is a good sign, right? So, these are the timelines and how the airdrop has been going. It's started since November 13th, 2024. That's when the thing, that's when the name changed from Blockless to Bless. The testnet went live since November 2024, and it's gained about 200,000 nodes in the first week of it being live, and that's nice. And they said the mainnet TG is expected within Q1 or Q2, but of course Q2 is almost over, so let's just assume that it will be expected anytime in 2025. Okay, so to participate in this, let's get to it now. Search for Bless Extension, and this is it, the Bless Chrome Web Store extension. Now this is the extension you're looking for. Anyone that doesn't look like this is their logo. This right here is their logo. So anyone that doesn't look like this is not the extension. You know, sometimes some extensions could have the same name, but make sure you know the logo of this extension. It shouldn't take long, and you've successfully installed your Bless extension. So as you can see, new background app added. Bless will launch its system startup and continue to run in the background even once you've closed the other windows. This means that immediately you're opening your Edge browser, or depending on the browser you're using, Bless will continue to run. So you can see how easy it is. You don't have to go activate anything. You don't have to go claim anything. You just make sure that your browser is running and you're connected to the internet. Get so next we click on our installed extension. I'm just gonna close this. Okay. Click on login and take us to the login page. I'm just gonna close that. Alright, so this is what the login page looks like. So you just wait a little for this verification to pop up, and then you verify that you are a human. Once you see this, you select what you want to use to log in. If you have a GitHub account that you'd want to use, that's totally up to you. So you select Google and choose the email you want to log in with. If you're creating an account for the first time, this is the same thing you should do. Okay, I'll show you how you can input your referral code to boost your earnings and your mining speed. All right, and just like that, you have logged in your Bless account. You have created a Bless account, literally. Okay, this is your Bless account. So just like this, you don't need to do anything. Even if you just want to leave it, just make sure you're opening your browser every day, and you automatically be earning Bless points. Now these are your nodes. I've opened a node before, and that's why I have two nodes here. One is the one I have on the system, and one is the one I have on my phone. So this is your Bless extension. As you can see, just give it time to load. So at this point, you have logged into your Bless account, and as you can see, your node is active. If you click on here to check on your extension, you can see that little green dot. That means that your node is active, and you'll be earning Bless points as long as you are online. Right? So at this point, you can even choose to leave. You can choose not to enter it again. You don't have to come to claim any daily thing or any weekly thing. All you must do is just make sure you're online every day and your device is connected to the internet, and you are automatically running a Bless node. Now if you click here, you see your nodes. Now you can run a maximum of 5 nodes at a time. You can run on maybe 3 of your PCs and 2 of your phones at the same time, wherever you want to go about it. And if any of your nodes are not more functional, to give space for more nodes, you can retire them. Just click on this retire button. But make sure that you are only retiring them when they are no more functional. Okay. So now this is the point. You can go. I mean, you're literally done with the blessed stuff, all right? But now, if you want to boost your if you want to boost your mining speed, uh, go copy my referral link in the video description below and paste it. This is where it will actually come into play. So when you click on that, it will take you to this page. This page you can see on the screen right now. Unfortunately, during the whole website revamp, they did not, give a way to go to this page. Before they made the website like this, there was an option to get to this page, the achievements. But ever since they made the website like this, they removed that option. But when you click on somebody's referral link, it gets you there. So it's like bless.network/dashboard/achievements. So as you can see, different achievements. Some achievements are yet to be unlocked. Of course, it's based on your activities and everything. So the first achievement here is blessed with an invite by another user. And if you can see it's done. You tick done because I used a referral code. Now you can see I now have a times or a plus 10 boost on my mining speed. Okay. Then you can also see different boosts. Connect to Twitter to give you a plus 5% boost. And then your Discord to give you a plus 5% boost, and then the quiz. Wait so that I'll show you the answers to the quiz. All right. So when you use the referral link, then you automatically get this. But sometimes it may take time. So you see a place. There should be a button here that would say input referral code. You should copy my referral code. It's on the screen right now, and it's also in the video description. So just copy my referral code, put there, and you will get a 10% boost on your mining speed. So to connect your Twitter is just the normal way. You click on Connect X, authorize, and you're good to go. Okay, so I should take you to automatically follow their Twitter account as it should be, alright? So you don't miss any updates and information. Then go back. Refresh the page and you can see we have connected our Twitter. So do the same thing for the Discord. Alright, so just like that, you've joined the Discord server, right? So you make sure you verify yourself and begin to grind there too. So when we go back to our Bless dashboard, you can see we've connected both our Twitter and our Discord, and we have literally a plus 10% boost. Now for the quiz, you now have to answer most of these questions correctly, at least from number 1 to 10. Require them to answer them correctly. Then from number 11 to 14 is just your personal experience with in Web3 and with cryptocurrencies. Okay, so you should fill it according to your personal experience. But for number 1 to 10, you can see the answers on the screen right now. So make sure you fill it in correctly. Okay. So when you're done, you verify that you're not a robot, and then you click on submit. So that is how you can participate in the Bless airdrop. So I believe you got value from this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also comment down below if you have a question about this airdrop, and share the video to people you know that may need it. Okay, hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I post a video on this channel. Looking forward to see you guys in the next one. Peace.